Can you imagine the peace of waking up, checking your phone, and seeing new payments flowing into your bank account, all earned while you were comfortably asleep? That sense of financial serenity is within reach. That's why I'm sharing 15 game-changing business concepts designed to generate income for you almost effortlessly. These are concrete, practical strategies for building true passive income. And here's a little insider tip. Idea number 15 is genuinely revolutionary. But before we dive into these incredible opportunities, take a moment to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Let's get started. First, consider relaxation stations in high-traffic hubs. Idea 1. A high-tech, app-operated massage chair in a mall or airport is an instant sanctuary. Shoppers or travelers see the reasonable $3 fee, tap their phone, and settle in for a quick restorative massage. No staff is needed. The automated system handles payments and alerts you to issues. If a well-placed chair gets 50 uses a day, that's $150 daily per unit, with the initial cost often recovered in 3 to 6 months. Next, try event cinema kits for home rental. Idea 2, where you curate all-inclusive kits with a projector, screen, and quality speakers for the ultimate home movie night, renting them for around $35 a weekend via an online booking site. A third-party courier handles delivery and pickup, and you can boost profit by offering add-ons like gourmet popcorn packs. The third idea is indoor garden subscription boxes. Idea 3. Deliver the joy of nature right to small homes with a monthly kit that includes easy-to-grow seeds, like basil or microgreens, compact pots, and a simple guide. You list them online, and a fulfillment company handles the packing and shipping, generating recurring revenue. For the creative entrepreneur, there is zero inventory apparel with print on demand. Idea 4. You only need the design idea, a catchy phrase or unique graphic, which you upload to a platform like Printful. When a customer orders, they print, package, and ship it directly, meaning you pocket the profit. $18 per $28 shirt without ever touching inventory. Our fifth idea is automated co-working pod rentals. Idea 5. Set up secure, small booths complete with a desk, reliable Wi-Fi, and power outlets in high-density areas. Use an app for bookings, charging around $6 per hour, and outsource regular cleaning and tech checkups. If these ideas are sparking your imagination, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Moving on, you can create a passive income stream with a high-value digital template store. Idea 6. Use tools like Canva or Word to design professional, editable documents such as invoices, presentation decks, or content calendars, and sell them instantly on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad for $5 to $15. Next up are reverse vending machines, recycling with rewards. Idea 7. Installed in high-traffic spots to accept bottles and cans in exchange for coupons or loyalty points. You earn a fee per container processed and revenue from selling the materials, plus potential ad revenue. A more speculative but potentially lucrative idea is strategic domain name investment, cyber-squatting alternative. Idea 8. You buy short, memorable domain names with commercial potential for a minimal annual fee and wait for a business to offer a premium to buy it from your simple for sale landing page. For weary travelers, establish private napping pods in transit hubs. Idea 9. Install secure, quiet sleeping pods in airports or train stations where travelers pay for an hour of rest via an automated app-based system. Then, elevate vending with gourmet automated coffee kiosks. Idea 10. These machines use freshly ground beans to dispense high-quality espresso and lattes for $3 to $5 in caffeine-hungry spots like libraries or office complexes. Your job is simply to occasionally refill the ingredients. Our 11th idea is selling niche digital recipe bundles. Idea 11. Compile themed digital cookbooks, fitness meal prep, into attractive PDFs and sell them for $4 to $8 on your site, a perpetual profit source after the initial creation. Next, target the sneaker culture with automated sneaker cleaning stations, Idea 12. Placing machines in gyms or malls where customers pay to have their footwear quickly restored via an app. Then, there is peer-to-peer event drone rentals, Idea 13. Rent out high-quality camera drones for $60 per day via a booking website for parties and events, collecting a safety deposit and simply ensuring the unit is returned undamaged. Follow this with a subscription library of guided meditations, Idea 14. Record a library of calming audio tracks for sleep or focus, and offer access via a membership site for a few dollars a month, growing your library over time to retain subscribers. It's time for the idea that can build a modest, yet remarkably steady stream of income. But first, remember to subscribe and like this video. The truly revolutionary idea is the banker from home, peer-to-peer crowdlending, Idea 15. Use established platforms to lend capital to vetted businesses or individuals. Your money works for you, earning returns typically ranging from 5% to 15% annually. The platform manages the entire process, vetting, collection, and repayment, making you a passive participant in financial growth. These 15 concepts offer potential pathways to financial liberation. Just remember, diligence and thorough research are essential before committing any capital. Now I'm curious, which of these 15 automated business ideas do you believe holds the most potential for profit in the current market?